Welcome to a brief update from that crazy triangle guy. Here we are looking at Bitcoin US dollar index on the hourly time frame. And yeah, Bitcoin busted a move finally, or once again, through the white and purple line here, which represents the top of the white zombie triangle, I call it. It goes back many years, and price action has been trading in it like within the past year and a half, um, something like that. And the bottom of the triangle is marked by this white, let me get my cursor, this white line down here, which is way down at 25,000. It's a big parallel, did I call it a triangle? It's a parallel channel. We have a white one, a green one, and a blue one, and an orange one, and I go over those and their significance in previous videos, and you should be well versed in it. If you're not, then please go back and watch the other videos. Now, this move is very, very important that we bust out of here. It's very, very significant. And however, this isn't the first time recently that we have busted out of it. We came up and tested it a couple times right here on Tuesday the 28th. Here we poked through it on Friday the 24th and tested it here on Thursday, November 16th, and poked through it here on November 9th. I think that's it. Right? Yeah. Now, we've come through it more than other times in the past, and I'm pretty sure that we are also at high for the year, the highest point we've traded in a long time. Going back also probably about a year and a half or so, maybe a little bit more. Now earlier, first I got to tell you something. I joked with someone, one of my friends yesterday, and when we were forming this candle, I mean, yeah, the Asians, because this is at 9 o'clock UTC, the Asians are really moving the market. And I said, but you know what? It said the Americans are going to come along in the morning and wreck it. And that's what they did. At 12 o'clock UTC, 7 o'clock on the East Coast in America, boom. This big red candle down. That's the Americans for you. But we held. Look at how we've tested this orange parallel channel, the bottom of the orange parallel channel. That has significance too. If you don't know what that is, go back and look at previous videos. But we are holding that as support. I'll give you a hint. It's a steeply sloping channel here that is taking us upwards this way. To where? To where? Where is it taking us? Here's the it's taking us, this could be a potential target here next week, next Tuesday, around 44,444. But anyway, we're getting ahead of ourselves, but that is a look at the future. Now, earlier last night, I drew these potential targets. I didn't share them with anyone yet. I saw a potential, especially with this move from America early in the morning, that end of day close could end up here or here. And it looks like we're choosing here. It's not that far away. If we did come down here, there's a potential that we do come down here. This is the top of the triangle formation that we just broke out of. prior to breaking through the white and purple line. Now, that would be completely okay if we did that retesting. It wouldn't be great. We've tried to get through this white line many times, and here we'd be coming back down through it. It wouldn't be great, but it would be simply a retest to the top of this triangle, and I'd see us continuing onwards and upwards here, as this thin orange line would dictate. Price action has traded right along there, so that would not be out of the question, nor necessarily horrible. It would be really boring for much longer. Close up here would be much better, but also not great, because that simply is taking us to the top of this purple parallel channel. You see the line here and the bottom of the purple channel here. And if let me switch to a 4 hour, it might be easier to see, or maybe not. But we've traded here within this purple channel for quite some time here. All the way, all the way back here to the end of October. This is the channel we've been trading in for the most part. So if we did close the day here, there's nothing to say that we don't just come back down here. Actually, we could come back down here and retest. It would be really, yeah. We're not out of the woods until we get out above here, because this could still lead to more boring, choppy action in this range heading into the FOMC meeting. And I'd really wish that for once we would not choose to do that. But what I'm looking at, hopefully, is that we can get up here by the end of the day. That would be great. I don't know if it's going to happen. I think we might end up here, consolidate probably in this range between the purple parallel channel and I don't know, in this, but between this orange line, the top of the white and purple channel, and the purple thing here in this Ethereum shaped structure. Probably trade in that over the weekend before, well, that's, weekend's not very far away here. Where's the weekend ends? Right here. So maybe probably trade between the purple and orange lines here over the weekend, and hopefully then make that decision to continue on upwards. So let's hope for up here. That would be great. Up here would be freaking awesome. Here, it's okay. I'm looking for further confirmation probably next week, unless by some odd chance we get that weekend pump, that rare weekend pump that sticks and continues upwards. Usually, though, on the weekends we end up back where we headed into them at, and hopefully we don't come down here. All right, I'm going to keep it short. Like, subscribe, see you next time.